is, is what GTU is targeting us to do. We being facilitators, we are able to communicate with so many people, every batches after batches. You need to have interaction with a lot of people. At the end of these sessions, after this 2 days workshop, you will feel that this is something which is really something which needs to be done. Over and above the technical part of preparing machines, machine-like engineers, we also need to look at the scenario of making them man, making them human beings. There is a human aspect to whatever the engineers does. After all, whatever we do is for the betterment of society. And betterment, at the same time, we don't compromise on making them poor engineers. We don't compromise in them, compromising on their skills. While we teach everything, we also need to imbibe into them the right principles. The contributor career program, friends, does exactly the same thing. I'm very happy to share our feedback of what we have done. After that program of 2 days, at the first day of the program, while attending, myself and Professor Ahir, we were the 2 participants which were deputed by our visionary principal, Professor Vasani. We were sent to, there is an institute of hotel management near Kuwadwa. We were sent to that institute to learn these concepts. We were so involved after getting through this entire session. We were so happy to be part of that. Both of us went to our principal, shared with him the material which we had. We also shared our thoughts on this principle. He was so happy to have this program launched. We started, training people. We started going to different institutes for conducting these programs. Similar, we started replicating these programs into various institutes. We have visited Darshan Engineering College, RK Engineering College, Bharad Engineering College, and one of our flagmark programs was at Atmiya Institute, where we trained 750 people at a time. There is a big auditorium, if you are aware, in Atmiya Engineering College. So we are happy to be part of that. You would be happy to take a notice of that we arranged this program for police officials at our institute. The results which we found was so encouraging. The feedbacks, at the end of all sessions we take feedbacks. It is a typical characteristic of this program that you keep on taking feedbacks from the participants. So we took a lot of feedbacks from the police officials also, and the results found were really, really very encouraging. People are really happy to imbibe into themselves these principles. There are 10 or 20% people who are little skeptic about whether this will bring an outcome or not. But mind you, friends, we are working for those 80% of mass who are really keen to build their careers. So this program, started. We conducted this program, trained more than 1,500 students, trained more than 100 faculties. At our institute, we conducted, Mira ma'am and Derevi ma'am were a part of, these are the 2 participants from our institute, Lakhderi Engineering College. They are also a part of the training program which we conducted for fresh teachers. So we did that at our institute, and we have found very encouraging results. The feedbacks which we are receiving is really good. We have actually seen a rise of more than 15 to 20% in placement of students. At our institute, we are fortunate to have all the big guns, L&T, Reliance, SR, L&T, Adani, Supergas. All these industries come to our campus, fortunately. And the students who have really gone through this exercise well, those students who have really understood, they have gone in depth about this program, have really found increase in their chances for placement. And the figures are there to show. And still they are in 8th semester, we have been able to place more than 25 students as of now. those who have gone through this program. So it's very necessary, very